Welcome back here with us on Times Now. We have some more breaking updates coming in. Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Umar Abdullah, will have a meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah today. That's the update that we are getting. Umar Abdullah, who is in Delhi, will meet Home Minister Amit Shah today to discuss a number of issues. Now, this would be the third meeting of Umar Abdullah with Amit Shah since taking over as the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. For more on this, let me straight away go across to my colleague Tejshri joining us live right now. Tejshri, over to you. Can you tell us a little bit about this meeting? What time is it likely and what exactly is on the agenda?
Well, absolutely, yes. We are reporting outside the residence of Home Minister Amit Shah, where Chief Minister of JK, Umar Abdullah, is supposed to come. And in fact, the timing that we learned was approximately 3 p.m. But now what we are getting to know is that he can anytime arrive here at the residence of Home Minister Amit Shah. And in fact, there will be a number of issues that will be discussed by the Chief Minister of J&K. And not just that, in fact, this will be the third meeting in between Home Minister Amit Shah and Umar Abdullah after he took an oath as the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. And in fact, in the previous meeting also, if you talk about, there were several issues discussed in the meeting. And in fact, Umar Abdullah also kept his point forward of giving complete statehood to J&K. And not just that, but also on terrorism as well, working in the collaboration with the centre government along with the state government. These all were the issues that were kept forward. And now also what we are getting to know is that these similar issues will be the major talking points in between the Chief Minister and the Home Minister. So we'll have to see what actually transpires in the meeting, and in fact we'll keep you updated with each and every update so as to what transpired in the meeting, what talks were held, and what kind of points did Umar Abdullah put forward in front of Amit Shah.
So you're telling us, Tejshri, that any moment from now we can expect Umar Abdullah, the J&K Chief Minister, to enter the residence of Home Minister Amit Shah for an important meeting. Now, Tejshri, a couple of days ago also, Home Minister Amit Shah held a review meeting as far as the security situation in Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. Now, this meeting with the J&K Chief Minister coming in right after that, so can the focus also be on perhaps, some kind of a tweak in strategy, as far as security there is concerned?
Well, absolutely. Remember, as I was mentioning, that last time also the issue of terrorism and the security was discussed in the meeting. And in fact, this particular meeting coming ahead of Amit Shah holding a meeting on Jammu Kashmir itself. So yes, that will also be one of the main agenda of the meeting. So as to what will be next as far as the state of Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. And in fact, we'll have to see that what actually Umar Abdullah has in his mind to discuss with. But no matter what, Jammu Kashmir security is one of the most important point, in fact, as far as the entire issue is concerned. And in fact, yes, we are getting to know it that in any moment, in few minutes from now, and in fact, at any point of time, Umar Abdullah could reach over here at the residence of Home Minister Amit Shah back to back. This will be in fact 3 times.
All right, Tejshri, we'll come back to you once you get another update on this particular meeting when Umar Abdullah arrives. But for now, thank you for joining us with your inputs. Let's now move on.